Okay, to begin, select the Gouache A Go-Go or Gouache A Go-Go Tilt Brush. They're found inside the paint box in the Mega Pack. Now, a lot of people are familiar with these brushes and they like them for paint relief brush strokes, even for drawing and lots of other goodies. But a cool secret about this brush is if you size it up really large, like 800 pixels, 900 pixels, and use a stabbing motion on your tablet, you can create these really cool textural marks. And that's what I'm doing here. Right now I have black selected as my color, and then I'll go in and I'll select some white or some gray and then stamp on top of it. So this is a really cool way to create a very fast textural background with the Gouache A Go-Go brush, and not a lot of folks know about this. So thanks to Tommy Lee Edwards, one of my favorite artists, for reminding me about this feature, and I wanted to share it with the rest of you. Enjoy!